Hello guys, we're at the Royal Sonesta in Cambridge, Massachusetts. We're in room 874. I'm gonna give you a room tour. Got RFID locks. Starting off, we have our entrance hallway. Starting off with a manual latch lock. A peephole right here. A map of the hotel, Massachusetts innkeeper laws. This is in the West Tower, by the way. And we have a latch lock, so we are good in the security department. And here you have an enclosed closet with a safe, wood hangers, iron boarding there as well. Here's your bathroom, or restroom, whatever you want to call it. Look, mirror, hi. Niagara's sink, I think. Kohler Class 5 toilet, 1 gallon per flush. There's your toilet. There's your bath/shower combination with all your itineraries required in there. Over here, you have a Samsung flat screen TV with a bunch of useful drawers. And here's the mini fridge. Glasses, an ice bucket, which is glass, coffee maker, a desk, very comfortable beds with an alarm clock way over there. Now we're gonna get a view, two-sided. Over there you can see some of downtown Boston, and you can see some of Cambridge over here. Very triangular window. Get a load of that. So, I hope you enjoyed the room tour.